Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to edit a theme header and footer in HubSpot's CMS. This is incredibly useful when you want to make site-wide changes to your navigation, branding, or footer elements without having to edit each page individually. First, open your web browser and navigate to HubSpot.com. Once there, sign in to your HubSpot account using your credentials. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can access all of HubSpot's tools and features. From the dashboard, hover over the Content tab in the left navigation bar. This will expand a menu showing you various content management options available within HubSpot. The Content section is your central hub for managing all website-related materials, from blog posts to landing pages. In the expanded menu, click on Website Pages. This action opens up the website menu where you'll have access to all the pages and templates you've created for your site. It's the command center for your entire website structure. From this menu, you'll see a list of websites you've created. Select the website you want to edit by clicking on it. This will open the website editor, giving you access to the page's structure and components. Once you're in the website editor, scroll down through the menu until you locate the website footer section. When you click on it, you'll be prompted to open the editor in the global content editor. This is an important feature because it allows you to make universal changes that will apply across your entire site. Go ahead and click on it to proceed. Now you're in the global content editor, which is where the real magic happens. This is where you can edit both your header and footer elements. To add new components, simply use the left side panel and click the plus button. This gives you access to various modules and elements you can incorporate into your header or footer design. Before finalizing anything, make sure to preview the changes you've made. This lets you see how your edits will appear to visitors across different pages. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, click on Save to apply your changes site-wide. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.